Hello everyone, welcome to StudyCare WB. Today's video is very important for all NBU Semester 7 Geography major students. In this video, we are going to discuss the complete syllabus of Hydrology and Oceanography. This is major 17 and the paper code is major 17. This paper has both theory and practical parts. It has 3 credit. And it has 3 credit for theory and 1 credit for practical. Today I will explain the complete syllabus unit by unit. Is very simple English. So after watching this video, you will clearly know what you have to study in this paper. So let us start with unit 1. Unit 1, hydrology. Okay, the first unit is mainly about hydrology. Hydrology means the study of water on the earth. In this unit, you have to study the hydrological cycle and groundwater. The first topic is global and basin hydrological cycle. Here you have to understand how water moves from the land and oceans to the atmosphere and then comes back to the earth. You also have to understand how the water cycle works within a particular drainage basin or river basin. After that, you have to study the different components of the hydrological cycle. The first components is evaporation. Okay, evaporation is the process by which water changes into water vapors and moves into the atmosphere. The next process is condensation. Okay, in this process water vapor changes into small water droplets. After the comes precipitation. Okay, precipitation means water coming back from the atmosphere to the earth in different forms such as rainfall or snowfall. The next topic is interception. Okay, interception, it means some amount of rainfall is stopped by trees, leaves and other objects before reaching the ground. Then you have evapotranspiration. This is the combined, you can see here, this is the combined process through which water goes back into the atmosphere from the land surface and from plants. Okay, after that comes infiltration. Infiltration means the process through which water enter the soil. Then you have runoff and overland flow. These topics explain how water moves over the land surface. So students, do not study the hydrological cycle only as one general topic. You have to understand all this process separately because all of them are clearly mentioned in your syllabus. Now we come on the second major part of unit 1, which is groundwater. Okay, after that you have to study the different types of groundwater and the major controlling factors. Then you have groundwater storage and groundwater tables. Okay, groundwater storage and groundwater table. So you also have to study the movement of groundwater. The final topic of this unit is groundwater depletion. Groundwater depletion simply means the reduction of groundwater level because groundwater is being used faster than it is being replaced. So if you want to remember unit 1 very easily, divide it into two main sections. Number one, hydrological cycle and its components, and number two, groundwater. Okay, if you prepare these two section properly, your first unit will be completely covered. Now students, before moving to unit 2, I have two important update for you. Many geography students have been asking us about English version notes. So yes, English version notes for NBU Semester 7 Geography Major are available from StudyCare WB. If you want to prepare your Semester 7 Geography Major paper in English, you can collect our notes. You have notes for the three major papers: paper major 17, major 18, and finally major paper 19. The total price for all these three major papers will be around 1650 rupees to 1800 rupees. The notes are preparing according to the syllabus so that students can prepare the important topic in this organized way. Okay, if you want to collect the notes, contact us as soon as possible. Our official contact number 7384041536. Again, the number is 73840411536. You can contact this number for completely details about the notes. Also, our WhatsApp group link is available in the description box of this video. Click on the link and join our WhatsApp group. This you will get important information about notes, classes, and other semester 7 updates. Now let us move to unit 2. Unit 2, oceanography. Unit 2 is mainly based on oceanography. The first topic is ocean morphology. Ocean morphology means the study of the shape and different features of the ocean floor. Under this topic, you have first you have continental shelf. After that comes continental shelf. Then you have submarine canyon, and finally abyssal plain. Okay, abyssal plain. You have to understand the basic meaning and main feature of this ocean floor feature. After ocean morphology, the next topic is bottom relief of the oceans. Here the syllabus especially mention three major oceans. Okay, here the syllabus especially mentions three major oceans. You have to study the bottom relief. Just a minute. Okay, you have to study the bottom relief of the Atlantic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, and Indian Ocean. So you should prepare the main bottom features of all these three oceans properly. After that we comes, just a minute, after that we comes the another important section, salinity. Okay, salinity, just a minute. Okay, salinity. So salinity and temperature of ocean water. Salinity and temperature of ocean water. First, let us talk about salinity. Salinity means the amount of dissolved salt present in ocean water. Here you have to study the major factors that control salinity and also the distribution of salinity in the oceans. Then you have to study the temperature of ocean water. Again you have to understand the major factors that control ocean temperature and how temperature is distributed in different parts of the oceans. The next topic is density of ocean water. Okay, So here you have to understand the basic idea of density and the factors that control the density of ocean water. After that comes ocean waves. Ocean waves. Okay. Ocean waves. In ocean waves, the syllabus mentioned three things: nature, then geometry and types. So you have to understand the basic nature of ocean waves, the different parts of waves and the different types of waves. After ocean waves, we comes to one of the most important topic of this unit: ocean currents. Ocean currents. Then you have to understand the different types of ocean currents, and after that you have to study surface currents. Just a minute. Surface currents of Atlantic. Surface current of these major oceans. There are Atlantic Ocean, Pacific Ocean and Indian Ocean. Okay. Therefore unit 2 can can be remembered in a simple sequence: ocean morphology. Just a minute. Okay. Ocean morphology, then bottom relief, then salinity temperature, then density, then ocean waves, then ocean currents. If you follow this order, unit 2 will become much easier to prepare. Now let us move to unit 3. Just a minute. The unit 3, the first topic of unit 3 is marine sediments. Marine sediments or marine deposition. For marine sediments, you have to study three major things. Okay, first you have understand where marine sediments comes from. Then you have to study how these sediments are formed, and finally you have to understand their different types of classification. The next important topic is coral reef. Coral reef. First you have to study the coral conditions of growth of coral reefs. Then this means you have to understand what conditions are needed for coral to grow properly. Okay. After that you have to study the different types of coral reefs. The syllabus also included the theories of origins of coral reefs. Theories of origin of coral reefs. In the syllabus, two theories and mentioned: subsistence theory and standstill theory. So prepare these theories according to your university syllabus and class materials. After coral reef, the next topic is marine resources. Marine resources. Okay, here you have to study three things: types. Firstly, just a minute. First, the importance of marine resources. Secondly, the different types of marine resources, types and conservation. Okay. Okay. Second, the different types of marine resources, and third, the conservation of marine resources. Conservation means the proper use and protection of these resources so that they are not destroyed or overreduced. The final topic of unit 3 is sea level change. Here you have to study the causes of sea level change, and after that you have to study consequence. Okay, consequence. So consequence simply means that result to effect of sea level change. So unit 3 can also be divided into for simple section. Just a minute. Marine sediments, coral reefs, marine resources, and finally sea level change. But students, remember one important thing: this paper is not only a theory paper, you also have a practical section. So now let us understand the practical syllabus, unit 1 and unit 2. Practical unit 1 is practical unit 1. The first topic is rating cut. Here you have to learn plotting and interpretation. Plotting means you have to prepare the graph of curve using the given data. Interpretations means you have to understand and explain what the graph is showing. After rating curves, you have annual hydrography. Again, you have to learn both plotting and interpretations. The next topic is unit hydrography. Here also both plotting and interpretations are important. After that, you have climate charts. In climate charts, you have to show the relationships amount from importance element. These are rainfall, temperature, atmosphere pressure, and relative humidity. Okay, so students should understand how these climatic elements are showing through charts and how to charts can explain. The next practical topic is rainfall, dispersion diagram. For this topic, the syllabus especially mentioned the quarters method. So you have to understand how to rainfall dispersion diagram is prepared by using the quartite method. Practical topic cannot be prepared only the reading. You should practice the plotting and calculation properly. Now let us comes to practical unit 2. Practical unit 2 based to assessment of water quality by using a digital tester. How here you have for 4 main parameters. The first one is temperature. The second one is TDS. TDS means total dissolved solutes. Okay, the third parameters is salinity, and the fourth one of pH. So now students, before ending this video, let us revise the complete syllabus once again. In unit 1 you have hydrology and just a minute. In unit 1 you have hydrological cycle and groundwater. Under the hydrological cycle you have evaporation, then convection, and unit 2 you can see here all of this. And once again, if you need English version notes for NBU Semester 7 Geography major, you can contact Studycare WB. You have English version notes for the 3 major papers, major 17, major 18 and major 19. The total price for all these papers will be around 1650 rupees to 1800. For notes, contact our official number 73840415536. You will also find our WhatsApp group link in the description box. Click on the link and join our WhatsApp group, because important information about semester 7 notes and classes will be shared there. And most importantly, subscribe to Studycare WB. You will bring complete classes, important questions, syllabus discussion and explain preparing videos for NBU students semester 7. Okay, if you are a geography student, share this video with your classmates so that they can also understand the complete syllabus. Thank you everyone for watching. Keep studying, stay connected with study WB, and I will see you in the next class.